Hi, I'm Dion from mathsvideos.com. This question here is fairly straightforward. All you have to do is remember that the limit when theta tends to 0 of sine theta over theta is equal to 1. So we just rearrange that term here because if we let it equal to 0 straight away, we just get a blank answer really. So we'll rearrange that as the limit of x tends to 0 of sine 2x all over 3x plus sine x all over 3x. Now what we want to do is we want to get sine theta over theta, so we just have to rearrange both these terms. So that is equal to sine 2x all over 2x. Now what we want to do is we want to know what thing we have to multiply it by here. So that our term is equal to 3 in the end. So that is equal to, what we call it, 2/3. Because basically when we multiply that by that, the 2's will cancel equal to 3 in the bottom. And the same on the right hand side. We want sine x all over x, and now we have to know what we're going to multiply to get it back 3x, which is just a third. So we know that this term here is equal to 1, and this term here is equal to 1. So we know that basically it's 2/3 times 1 plus the third times 1, which is just 2/3 plus 1/3, which is equal to 1. That's the solution to that. So your limit of that term as x tends to 0 is equal to 1. So on to the next part here then. We have sine 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. What you want to do here is you want to factorise it. And the best way to do that is to change, well probably the only way, is to change your double angle into a single angle. That's really the first step for most of this. So that's 2 cos x sine x is equal to the term on the left, and then you have the plus cos x is equal to 0. Now what we want to do here is we want to factorise it. We want to take cos x out. So that's cos x into 2 sine x plus 1 is equal to 0. So that gives us two solutions that are cos x is equal to 0 or 2 sine x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we just start off with cos x equal to 0. Well, we also know that probably cos x or cos of 90 is equal to 0, or you can do cos the inverse of x in your calculator, but I know it off by heart. So that implies that your base angle x is equal to 90. So we just draw a little circle here, a very badly drawn circle. So when x makes, so you're looking at an angle of 90 with the x-axis. So what gives you an angle of 90 with the x-axis? That's when your angle is equal to 90 or your angle is equal to 270. So your solutions here are x equal to 90 or x equal to 270. 90 degrees or x is equal to 270 degrees. Because your base angle here, we're saying your angle makes an angle of 90 degrees with the x-axis, and that is done both here and it's done both here. So now we just go back to our 2 sine x plus 1. That implies that 2 sine x is equal to negative 1, implies sine x is equal to negative a half. Rightio, so that implies that sine of x is equal to x is equal to negative 30. So if you just put that into the calculator, sine theta plus negative half implies x equal to negative 30. Negative 30 degrees. So we'll just draw that again in another badly drawn circle. Right, so we have negative 30 degrees. And we also know that we want, so that's negative 30. We'll just call that negative 30 degrees here. Now we also want another place where sine is negative and where it cuts 30 degrees with the x-axis. So it could, in theory, cut 30 degrees here, here, or here. So it's going to be one of these quadrants. But we know our ASPC. We should all know it. All sine, tan, cosine. And our sine is negative here in this quadrant here. And it's negative in this quadrant here. Basically your angle is going to be negative 30 implies negative 30, or it's going to be negative 180 plus 30 equals negative 150 degrees. So that implies that x is equal to negative 150, negative 30, 90 degrees, and 270 degrees. And we're told that x is between 0 and 360. So then we have to rearrange that angle, this angle here. So that's going to be 180 plus 30, which is going to be 210. So that's 210 degrees, and this angle here is going to be 360 minus 30, which is 330 degrees. Yeah, so remember that. Yeah, so there are your angles there. 90 degrees, 270 degrees, 210 degrees, and 330 degrees. So if you found this video useful, please add me on Facebook or Twitter, or subscribe to our YouTube channel where I have loads of cert videos.